Safety Toolbox Talk number 205. Safety in construction site. Workmen at height should be wear safety belts. Adequate first aid equipment should be kept ready. Defective tools should not be used. Excavated material should not kept near the excavated. Adequate fire-fighting equipment should be available at site. The moving parts of grinding machines used construction site should be covered with guards. The worker should not carry tools in his hands when climbing a ladder. Suitable lighting arrangement should be necessary at night work. Excavation should be guarded by suitable fencing. Workmen handling cement should be provided PPEs. Thank you.